Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today's a pretty exciting day because you are going to find out what engine is going in this truck. I got it sitting here right in front of me. Let's see it. Here it is. 6-liter 2001 out of a Chevy truck. I just picked it up. Just got it out of the truck. Alright, so this engine right here is for my 79. It's all ready to go, 30 over, and that is hanging up right here out of the way. Got a ton of work done to it. All the holes are filled in the frame. One of these days I'll get back on that. It's hit and miss. But for right now, we're trying to get this thing done by springtime. Hopefully by May or June, we'll have this thing not fully wrapped up, but running and driving. Got to get this on that, and it'll be good. Start turning it down. All right, fast forward. Here it is on the stand. This thing is covered in grease, thick, sludge. See how these manifold bolts go. Also looks like there's a new water pump on there, so that's a plus. Tech tip of the day: if you don't want to lose any tools or parts or anything on your toolbox, clean up every once in a while. How do I know? Well, I got a 10mm, a 10mm right there, all of them, except for that one. Craftsman didn't supply all of the sockets in their full sets, but that's how they make money. You have to buy the other individuals to have a full set. Alright, so I'm getting the back of this thing jacked up, and remember, anytime you want to jack something up, put it on jack stands, remember to give it a couple shakes just to make sure it's not going to fall. even got the flex plate to fall. So that package that I had coming in the mail, it's right here. Yes, the 4-link kit. This is going to be awesome. Some brackets in here. Nice little kit from Speedway. Never dealt with them before, but we're going to see how it goes. Everything seems pretty high quality. Comes with all your joints and everything. Shock brackets. Anyway, that's for a later time. Now we need to get back to tearing this motor apart. Alright, so that's going to be it for this engine teardown for now, because I need to go get a pulley puller or a balancer puller, and I'm not going to wait around until I get one. So meanwhile, I've been mocking up and figuring out what I want to do for the rear 4-link, and also I've been working on where I want to put this shifter. Right there is where I want to put it anyway. I just got to figure out the tubing. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Stay tuned, because this weekend I'm going to be doing a lot of work to the 4-link and possibly even getting the shifter done. And then maybe finishing up tearing that down. So thanks for watching. We'll see you later.